Checkboxes, unlike radio buttons, allow users to select multiple options from a list. Let's say we want to ask the user about their newsletter preferences, where they can choose multiple topics of interest. Let's add a label with a class label, subscribe to newsletter, and then let's group our options with a div, and then input type checkbox, ID, tag, name, newsletter, and value tag. And now we have a checkbox. Let's also add a label for this checkbox with a class label and for tag. And the label will be technology. And then let's add a new line and another checkbox, input type checkbox, ID business, name newsletter, and value business. And the label for business. And the third option, and again input type checkbox, ID health, name newsletter, and value health. And label for health. So how this works? The user can check as many boxes as they wish to receive newsletters on different topics. Each input type checkbox element represents a selectable option. By using the same name newsletter attribute for each checkbox, they are logically grouped together. Let's update the label style to make it more subtle. And we can reuse those label radio class by adding another class label checkbox after the comma, and then apply this class to all checkboxes. To sum up, use input type checkbox to create checkboxes. Group checkboxes by using the same name attribute. This makes it clear that they belong to the same form category. Since checkboxes don't restrict users to just one selection, they can check as many boxes as they wish.